Dear students, today we are going to learn a different topic. It is also called as Let Us Learn. Now, let me tell you. I am introducing two words in front of you. One is its and the other is its. Pronunciation wise, there is no mistake. And now we are going to find out which one is correct. What is correct? Whether its is correct or its is correct or both are correct. Now in front of us there are three questions. Is its correct? Is its incorrect? Or are both of them correct? There is a difference of an apostrophe here between these two. Now our question is, can an apostrophe make a difference? Let us know about it. Now we want to find out which one is the correct word. Is its correct or is the other its correct or both of them are correct? Let us see some headings. The earth and its motion. Again, the rainbow and its beauty. It's easy to learn grammar. It's been years since I went to Delhi. Now the question is, what is the difference between its and what is the difference between its? Now let us find out. The earth and its motion. Motion is related to the earth. When we say about this particular sentence, here motion is related to the earth. In that case, here it means of. Let's see sentence number 2. The rainbow and its beauty. Beauty of the rainbow. Here it means of. Now let's see number 3. It's easy to learn grammar. Grammar of what? There is no answer to of. So here we can't say it means of. That is not the correct way of telling. Now let us find out what is its. It's easy to learn grammar. Now I am going to read it again in a different way. It is easy to learn grammar. So what is the difference between its and it is? Now let us see. Here it is written as its and we pronounce it as its, but the full form of its is it is. The full form of it is it is. But in English, its is called as a shortened form. ये शॉर्ट यानी यहाँ पर कुछ कम किया हुआ है. पूरा यदि हम पढ़ेंगे विस्तार से इसको इट इज़ समझना पड़ेगा और जब हम बोलेंगे तो ये इट्स हो जाएगा और ये इट्स इस इट्स से कंपेयर हो जाते हैं उस स्थिति में. दिस इज ए डिफरेंट वर्ड एंड दिस इज ए different word. Now again let's see. It's been years since I went to Delhi. दिल्ली जाते हुए मुझे कई साल हो गए हैं. ये यदि कहना है तो हमें कहना पड़ेगा It's been years since I went to Delhi. Now what's the meaning of it's here? There is one more verb given been. Therefore here it means it has been. So here the meaning of its is, it has been years since I went to Delhi. So from this we have come to know about the meaning of its and the meaning of its. Let's see more about it. Now let us again check the chart again. We have discussed about the chart in the previous class when we were discussing about the correct format of a letter. Here we have introduced only 4 pronouns because this is just to tell about it. Now we have discussed about he, him and his. We have discussed about it and its. And now let us see you and again you, and here comes your and yours. Now what we have to find out is, in the possessive form there is no apostrophe. In the possessive form of it is the pronoun, it is the subject, and when we change it into possessive form it becomes its. There is no apostrophe, and means there is no comma here between T and S. There is no comma. Between R and S there is no comma. And let us see the word we. Let us see the word we. We, the pronoun, it is used as subject. Us is the object form, and here comes 2 words which can be used as possessive forms. We can say our brother, our school, and we can say this school is ours. Now let us discuss about this ours. It is just like yours. There is no apostrophe here. So let us consider all the 3. It's without an apostrophe, yours without an apostrophe, and ours without an apostrophe. So in the last class we have discussed about yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours truly, etc. And at that time we have learned that we should not put an apostrophe here. This word is complete without any apostrophe. This word is complete without apostrophe. This word is complete without apostrophe. Therefore, we can use it in sentences in order to tell about the relation of something to some other person. So the conclusion that we are now deriving is, its is a correct word. We can use it in sentences, and we can, when we use its in sentences, we are not committing any mistake. Now the another question that comes is, then what about its in which there is an apostrophe? Let us see. So friends, let us check the 2 words one by one and find out which one is correct. Let us take first of all its without an apostrophe. There is no apostrophe here, and then we have to find out what's the meaning of its. Its, when we say without an apostrophe, is the possessive form of the pronoun it. In possessive form of pronouns there is no apostrophe. So we have to remember that all the 8 personal pronouns, they have 3 different forms. One is called as nominative case, other is subjective case, and the other is possessive case. We have discussed it earlier in the class when we were attempting on the format of a letter, a personal letter or an official letter. Now let us discuss one by one. The pronoun he. This word has 3 forms. First one is he. The second one is him, which is called as the objective case or objective form, and the third one is the possessive form. Here in this form, of is understood. When we say his, then we have to mean of him. That means we are giving a connection or a connectivity or something like that to a person who is called as he. Then let us see that its is a complete word, and without a comma its is correct. We can use it whenever we want as the possessive form of the pronoun it.